Hi everyone. We're going to find the derivative of each trigonomic function using the chain rule. And these two functions I'm going to do, the first one involves cotangent, and the second one on the second slide is going to involve secant. And the first thing I'm going to do is rewrite this as 2 cotangent of pi times t plus 2 squared. So close, and that's going to be squared. Okay, so we're going to take the derivative of h, and I'm going to go ahead and bring this 2 down and use my chain rule. So that's going to be 4, and I just copy down my inner function, cotangent of pi times t plus 2. Then I'm going to take the derivative of the inner function. Well, the inner function is going to be the derivative of cotangent, which is negative cosecant squared. And then you just write the pi times t plus 2. And then you have to do the derivative of this inner function. And derivative of that inner function is just going to be pi. Alright. And just cleaning this up, we're just going to get a negative 4 pi. I'm just bringing the 4, negative, and pi out front. And then we have cotangent of pi t plus 2 times cosecant squared of pi times t plus 2. So the trick was this first step, rewriting it. And the next one we're going to do the same thing. That's with secant squared. So I'm going to rewrite this as 3 times secant of pi t minus 1. And that's all going to be squared. Now we can take the derivative. So you multiply the 2 times the 3, and you get 6. And just copy down your inner function. Then you take the derivative of your inner function, and the derivative of your inner function is just secant times tan times the derivative of this right in here, which is just pi. Alright, and then further cleaning this up, we have these two are the same. So we have 2 of those. I can write this as 6. I'm going to multiply it by the pi, and since I have 2 of this, it's going to be secant squared of pi times t minus 1. So that took care of all of this plus that. And then we have our tan of pi t minus 1. Alright. Now if you want to rewrite this in terms of sine and cosine, we can do that. So this would be 6 pi times 1 over cosine squared of pi t minus 1. And tan is going to be sine of pi t minus 1 over cosine of pi t minus 1. And then when you fix all this up, we're just going to multiply this together. So that's going to be 6 pi times all of this. Just multiply all that. Sine of pi t minus 1. And then we have, these are the same, but we have 2 here and we have 1 here, so we have a total of 3. So it'd be cosine cubed of pi times t minus 1. So either way, they both look nice. And that's all. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.